pleasant day, Mom and Sir. I am Noemi Arsua. I'm already 28 years old. I am a single and I have a one daughter and she's a 4 years old now. I live in Sinabanan, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate and we have 7 siblings and I am a 5th members in my family. I've been working in Manila for almost 1 year from February 20, 2018 to February 20, 2019. There are 3 members in the family. The baby is 5 years old. The mother and father are 35 and 36 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and take care of baby. And also I've been working in Kuwait for almost 2 years from March 18, 2022 to March 18, 2024. There are 5 members in the family. The mother and father are 85 and 70 years old. The children are 34, 23, and 22 years old. And also I do cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, ironing, car washing, and take care of all of them. So please, Mom, Sir, choose me because I am an honest person, hardworking, friendly, and trusted. Again, Mom and Sir, thank you and God bless.